Welcome to just another time lapse, guys, and this is me using Procreate for the first time on my iPad Pro. For this concept piece, I referenced a lot of ancient African bronze weapons, mostly the short sword. The genre of this book being African fantasy, you know you have to have a dragon in there. Okay, now this blade is made of dragon scale, so I want it to be kind of like a living material. So still keep the scale effects of a giant dragon while also being shaped into a metal sword. Alright, moving to the tip of the blade, which is more refined. I was trying to go for like a glassy slash metal look, so I referenced obsidian stone and used that to guide me in my on the Photoshop, we go for some finishing touches and ambient effects. Also like to use Photoshop because I can go in and get greater detail than you can with Procreate. That's the one pro that I've seen with Photoshop. But then again, you probably could just solve this problem by working larger in Procreate. And here's my final result. I would say I'm actually quite pleased with Procreate, man. It gets you really far in your artwork and lets you clean it up with Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Peace.